Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the last Zombicide Green Horde mini. This is Brix Moonshine. As always, I'll be trying to get this guy done as quickly as possible with a simple sort of techniques that anyone can just follow along with. It was primed in Vallejo Grey and I get started with Eandon Yellow for the cape. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. I stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time if you want to come and hang out while we're playing some games. Next up is the clothing. This is a weird off-white colour in the artwork. I used bone white for this with the hope that once the wash goes on it sort of goes into the right sort of colour. For the skin, I used Elven Flesh. This is a great single colour to use when doing light skin, but I am starting to get slowly bored of it, so I'm probably going to start experimenting with other colours soon. There are a few belts and an insane number of scabbards on this guy. For these I grabbed Child Brown. Of course, being as ostentatious as this character is, most of the metallics are done with glorious gold. His bright orange hair is done with Mars Red. To finish up the swords, the blades are done with gunmetal. Grabbing pure red, I've done the boots and the pinstripes going down his clothing. To get the paint to flow nicely off the brush like this, you're going to need to thin it down that little bit extra. The best way to tell if it's thin enough but not too thin is just do a few test lines on your palette. The green pinstripes are done with intermediate green. Same principle with this colour, thin your paint a little bit extra and do a few test strokes just to make sure you're getting that good line. to tie all the model together, I gave it an all over wash of light tone. This is light enough that it's not going to overly stain the colours of this guy as well and keep them looking yellow. To finish up, I black out the base as with all my Zombicide minis. And that will be it for Brix Moonshine. He was a lot easier to paint than I first thought and still came out pretty decent. This does mark the end of my Zombicide playlist for now though. The next time I'm painting a CMOD mini is probably going to be their latest Kickstarter. That's not going to arrive for another year or so. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip to help getting better equipment for the channel. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.